Threaded wood dowels are an innovative and versatile fastening solution in woodworking, combining the natural aesthetics of wood with the functionality of threaded fasteners. These dowels have revolutionized the production of products such as Dowelled Cross Laminated Timber, which is a sustainable and efficient construction material. DCLT panels are created by combining layers of planks using threaded dowels instead of glue or metal fasteners. This unique approach results in a structurally robust and environmentally friendly mass timber product that is ideal for modern construction. In this video, we'll explore the various aspects of threaded wood dowels, including their applications, benefits, manufacturing process, and considerations for use. Starting off with the applications and benefits. Threaded wood dowels offer significant advantages over traditional smooth dowels, particularly in terms of strength, functionality, and sustainability. While smooth dowels rely on glue or friction, threaded dowels use their threads to create stronger, more durable connections by evenly distributing forces, reducing the risk of splitting the wood. One of the most notable applications of threaded dowels is in Dowelled Cross Laminated Timber, a sustainable alternative to traditional cross-laminated timber that avoids the use of adhesives and metal fasteners. By using threaded wood dowels to bond layers of wood, Dowelled CLT produces fully recyclable and biodegradable panels. These panels are exceptionally strong and easy to disassemble, making them ideal for flexible and eco-conscious construction projects. They also maintain wood's natural thermal insulation, acoustic properties, and visual appeal. Beyond Dowelled CLT, threaded wood fasteners are widely used for things such as furniture assembly and joinery. They outperform smooth dowels by offering superior grip, durability, and reusability, making them indispensable in modern woodworking and sustainable building practices. Creating a threaded wood dowel involves several key steps to ensure functionality and durability. Starting off with selecting high-quality, straight-grained hardwoods such as maple or oak, known for their strength and resistance to chipping. Next, cutting the dowel to the desired length and ensuring that it is perfectly round, which is essential for uniform threading. The threading process utilizes specialized tools designed for wood, such as a thread box for external threads and corresponding tabs for internal threads. This thread box and corresponding tabs, of course, have to be the correct size for the wanted diameter size. Applying a suitable lubricant during threading helps achieve a smooth result and minimizes the risk of tear out. The final step is creating a complementary wooden nut by threading a corresponding piece of wood using a tab designed for internal threads and ensuring a precise fit with the dowel. This meticulous process results in threaded wood dowels, which are both functional and aesthetically pleasing for various woodworking applications. Threaded wood dowels offer a practical solution to woodworking projects, but their performance relies on several key factors rooted in both material science and craftsmanship. The type of wood that's used plays a significant role in determining the dowel's strength and durability. Hardwoods with straight grain and no defects are preferred, as their dense structure can better withstand stress and wear. Depending on the wood type and its moisture content, it might be necessary to dry the wood properly before threading to prevent cracking or warping later. The diameter of a dowel is one of the other key factors and affects the dowel's ability to handle load. For instance, a 2.5 cm diameter is typically sufficient for light to moderate applications like a vise. However, large diameters are often necessary in high-stress scenarios, such as structural beams or load-bearing joints, to distribute force more effectively. Thread pitch, which refers to the spacing of threads, should be coarser, so the threads are further apart than that found in metal fasteners. This adjustment ensures that the wooden threads remain strong and do not compromise the dowel's structural integrity. Grain orientation is another critical factor, as wood is strongest along its grain. Aligning the grain parallel to the dowel's length allows it to better resist bending and splitting under pressure. Additionally, the moisture content of the wood has a direct impact on its stability. Wood that is not sufficiently dried may shrink, warp, or crack over time, especially after threading. Finally, finishing treatments can extend the dowel's lifespan. A protective coating or sealant not only shields the wood from moisture, but also enhances its resistance to wear and environmental factors, making it a more reliable component in long-term applications. Threaded wood dowels have their advantages, but understanding alternative fastening methods can help woodworkers make informed decisions based on the specific requirements of their projects. One such alternative is the use of cross dowels, which are metal cylindrical fasteners placed perpendicular to the wood grain. These provide exceptional strength in joints and are particularly resistant to pulling out under load, making them a reliable choice in high-stress applications. Threaded inserts are another versatile option. These are metal components embedded into the wood to create durable threaded connections. They are particularly useful in scenarios requiring frequent assembly and disassembly, such as furniture or equipment, or even in guitars. While threaded inserts are practical, these may not match the aesthetic appeal of wood dowels, especially in projects that prioritize natural finishes. For those drawn to traditional woodworking, methods like mortise and tenon, dovetail joints, or one of the other wood-to-wood joints offer both structural integrity and historical significance. These techniques have been used for centuries and remain favored in fine furniture making for their exceptional strength and timeless craftsmanship. Each of these alternatives provide distinct benefits, and choosing the right method depends on the balance between functionality, appearance, and the specific demands of the building project. Threaded wood dowels are a versatile and sustainable innovation, offering superior strength and durability for woodworking projects. From Dowelled Cross Laminated Timber to furniture assembly, their threaded design enhances performance while maintaining the natural appearance of wood. With careful manufacturing and attention to factors like wood selection and thread pitch, these dowels provide eco-friendly and reliable solutions. While alternatives like metal inserts and traditional joints have their place, threaded wood dowels uniquely combine functionality, sustainability, and aesthetics, making them a valuable choice in modern woodworking. If you want to learn more about the world of mass timber, subscribe to this channel.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.